All right, time now for Better Food. Thanksgiving is 1 week from today.
Can you believe it? Well, Christina Hart from Foodology Cooking School is here with some awesome appetizers for the big day. You want to take the pressure off. So if you have some good things out there and people are nibbling, no one's going to notice if it's taking a little longer to roast the bird or whatever.
Absolutely. And if your mouth is full, less family drama, right?
Absolutely.
There you go.
I
don't know. Just
Christina's
saying.
my kind of woman.
Just saying. So today these recipes are from my own private vault for Thanksgiving. So we have a Pear and Brie tartlet, which is amazing.
Okay.
And we have a harvest pizza. So I'm going to ask
Okay.
if you guys want to sort of help me go
Sure.
through
Yeah.
this. First, what we have is you take a pie crust, and it can be store-bought, it could be self-made, whatever you want to do, and you're going to cut it out, and you're just going to take it, and you're going to put it into your mini muffin.
So it's this.
Yep.
Right
You don't have to do it if you
just
want
have
to.
one of these size.
Yeah.
You can get these anywhere, just around.
You can. That's technically considered a biscuit cutter. So biscuit cutter,
biscuit
you
cutter.
can use a cup, you can use a bowl,
okay.
you can use whatever you want if you don't have one of these. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna line it. You're gonna put in some pears. And you notice we have 3 different types of pears here.
What do you do? You just push down on this?
Yeah, you
Christina?
just push down on it.
Are you
And
sure?
you're using
You're
I'm
gonna break it?
positive.
You're using a
good.
mini muffin
I
tin.
am, because these are gonna be bite size. If you wanted to go a little bigger, you can use the regular muffin.
The
Jumbo,
queen
whatever you want.
has said that all appetizers shouldn't be any bigger than 1 bite.
Yes, exactly. So here we are.
It's a queen, though. She
and
can't
if you
keep her
have a big
family
mouth,
together.
you can just stick right in.
Maybe
You're
she needs
good.
to let them eat more.
Exactly.
So then what you're gonna do is we have our filling here, which is 3 different types of pears, because each of the pears brings a different texture.
Anjou, Bosque, and Bartlett.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my goodness,
I'm
you are awesome.
impressed.
Pathmark.
There you go.
I never know the difference. I mean, does it matter? Can you just buy whatever kind of pear you want when you're cooking?
You can, but you want to get some different varieties in there, just like with your apple pie, because each of the varieties is going to bring a different texture, a different flavor, and it's really going to give you an excellent end product.
All right.
Yep.
So then you put there's a little bit of Brie down there. Then you put
Brie in the bottom.
Cut up the pears on top of
Yep,
that.
just a little bit of sugar in with the pears, a little bit of cinnamon, and then we have our crumb topping. So if you want to just throw some crumb topping on there.
What is it? How is this made?
So crumb topping is flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and loads of delicious butter.
Yeah,
And
I
we're
can
just gonna get it
crumbles
into
them.
crumbles and then put it right on top.
Okay.
And then
Is it enough, Christine?
I always
A little
put
bit?
more,
Okay.
yeah, but it's up to you.
More crumb.
I like to sort of overindulge.
Well, I can see your finished product over there. I end up looking like
so
little
there
pies.
we are.
And then you cut out more of these little maple
Yeah,
leaves.
you just throw them right on top. It's
right on
just
top here like
And
that.
look,
and you bake 'em.
beautiful.
I see
And
the
there's our
little
final-
leaf. That's so cute. That's a
final
nice
product.
little touch.
That's beautiful.
And you could do this, you said, if you wanted to, if the pie dough intimidated you, whatever, you could use phyllo cups. Or whatever.
Absolutely.
All right, so
Yep.
we have a couple minutes left. Let's do this
Okay,
one.
so we'll do this quick. So this is a harvest pizza. It is absolutely delicious. We have a dough at the bottom of our pan here. Again, you can make it yourself. You could buy it at the store. No judgment.
Pizza dough.
Yep, pizza dough. There you go. We've got some Monterey Jack and cheddar cheeses. We're going to just layer that on there.
Okay, just.
Yeah,
all
you
over.
can just, you can go ahead and just
Wow,
sprinkle the
Christina,
whole thing
this
on.
is awesome.
Aren't those delicious? So good.
Okay, so we just want to evenly spread some cheese.
evenly spread.
Well, you used a blend of cheeses.
I did. Yep, Monterey Jack and cheddar for
Okay.
this. And then we have some roasted butternut squash
Do the
right there.
vegetables
Yeah,
next?
go
Okay.
ahead, throw those on. Just in the oven. We're going to roast those up really nice. So they're fork tender. And then sort of to balance the flavors, we have a spicy sausage. So you're going to throw that spicy sausage. You're going to go ahead and brown it ahead of time.
Okay.
And then go ahead and put it right on top.
Dennis loves sausage.
And then what I think really makes this dish, we have some cider caramelized onions.
How do you do that?
So basically you caramelize the onions with a little bit of butter, olive oil, but then you throw some apple cider in at the end.
Okay.
And you let it sort of just soak up into those onions.
And I'm just going to put this.
Yep.
And again, you don't have to be great at anything. No one wants to stress
No.
over the appetizers. This is just spread and bake, right?
And then we got a little sage and a little bit of blue cheese. If you don't like blue cheese, leave it off.
rip
no
the
big
sage?
Yeah,
or
you're going to rip the
just-
sage. Yep.
But better to use fresh.
Always better to use fresh, if you
Okay.
can.
If you can. If
Yeah.
you were in a pinch, could you just sprinkle some dry?
You certainly could.
Okay.
And then this is going to just go into the oven, not very long, about 400, and for about maybe 20 minutes or so, and then you end up with this beautiful dish.
There you
So,
go. And that's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's the
That's
end
so
product.
simple.
Yeah.
If
that
anybody would like to
beautiful?
try, feel free. We got a little piece cut for you.
Yeah. Is that right out of the oven?
And it, you know
A
what?
little
It
piece.
is.
Thank you, Christina.
Oh my gosh, how can you say no? Again. Keeps your guests happy if their mouth is full.
That is correct.
Oh, wow, that is awesome.
So
Excellent,
good.
excellent.
Wow. That's
Easy to make.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Enjoy the beautiful day. It's beautiful outside.
Thanksgiving's 1 week away. You can always watch us again on BetterCT.com. Thanks, see you tomorrow.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.